Alright guys, so I just wanted to take this minute here to shed some light on tags and how important they are for selling shirts. When you launch a campaign, you can go back in and you can edit the campaign, and that's where you can add in your tags, and they allow you to add 10 tags. So with those 10 tags, you really want to make sure that you have great tags in there, because Teespring is going to do SEO for you, search engine optimization, which really means, in layman's terms, when someone Googles something related to your shirt, um, if your shirt comes up or not. So good SEO, good tags means if someone Googles something related to your shirt, you're going to come right up. And that way they can link right over to Teespring and buy your stuff. Now, if you have bad tags, your shirt will never come up. Um, and it's really difficult to sell shirts if no one can find it. So I want to show you a little secret I use here. It's called Google Trends, and if you haven't heard of that before, you definitely want to go ahead and put it in your bookmarks up here. Um, that way you can get to it easily because you'll be using it a lot. So as you can see here, this takes all of Google's search information and it puts it into easy to read, what's trending in the past 24 hours. So today is September 24th, 2016, and you can see it's a lot of college football. Makes sense. Also, Donald Trump. I'm sure Hillary Clinton's on here somewhere, but the majority of it right now is college football. It makes sense. But what we're going to use is, and by the way, this is a great place to pick up ideas for shirts. Because if you see something has just started trending in the past 24 hours, if you're the first one to get a shirt out there, you'll be the first one for someone to see it. That means yours will be out there the longest. It'll have the longest time for Google to do or for Teespring to do SEO for you on Google. So when someone does search for it, your Teespring campaign will be the first one they see. So definitely use it for that as well. But what I'm going to show you is up here. So I like to make a lot of workout tank tops, and specifically women's workout tank tops, because some of the tank tops that Teespring offers are super high quality, so the shirts come out great. So what we're going to do up here is we're going to type in, use this as an example, workout shirts. And what this is going to show us is, as you can see, it's set on worldwide, the past 5 years, which is good. You can pick up on the trends. I'm actually going to move back to 2004 to present. A little easier to read here. And all categories. And web search. You can also change it to Google Shopping. I like to do web search. It gives you a better idea of overall what's going on. So for workout shirts, you can see the trends right here. You just look for the peaks here, and looking at it as a whole, you can see workout shirts are getting more and more popular. And around this time here, we're going into, let's decipher here. Okay, perfect. The new year, right? Everyone sets their New Year's resolution. You know it's going to spike, and it's almost predictable. So that's a good trend to get onto. It's a good thing to prepare for. Make your shirts down here. Launch them, even make them over here in August. Let the SEO kick in. And then when all the searches come up, your shirts will have had time to have SEO push them to the top of Google, and then your shirts get sold. Just pick up onto that trend every time, and the more you do it, the better at it you'll get. But when you see it start to go down, start to make a lot. And then when it comes back up, yours will be found. And then you can come down and look more into detail on that keyword there, the search term, and you can see where people are searching it from. And then also, breakout here means lately this has been searched a ton. And you can change this setting here. It'll do overall top searches and then rising. That's what I like to do because that's going to show you all of the trends as they're happening. So these are good things to put in your tags, and just find good ones. Some of them aren't really going to be related, but see, like right here, funny workout shirts. That's a great tag. Funny shirts. That's more general, but that's still a really good one. Obviously, you can't use Under Armour shirts, but you know, workout gear, workout sayings. Those are all really good tags. And then another feature you can do here is you can compare this to say gym shirts. And as you can see here, gym shirts is still rising. And my prediction for why that is because fast food has become much more popular, and a lot more people need to work out. So it's almost similar. They almost follow each other, and they're both pretty identical. Looks like lately gym shirts has been searched a lot more, and the colors right here relate to what it is on the map. So when you start to put in a lot more keywords, it starts to fill up with a lot of different colors. So fitness shirts, as you can tell, a lot less searches. It doesn't roll off the tongue. It's not the first thing that comes to mind when you are looking for a workout shirt or a gym shirt. So you can see it's a lot lower. Still follows the trends though, pretty much. And then you can come down here, and also that's pretty neat, is you can see in Australia more people are searching for gym shirts. The good thing with Teespring is they ship worldwide, so you never have to just only focus on the US. Your market is everywhere. And it'll give you an individual detailed description of what's going on for each one of these terms. So you can see what's breakout. You really want to focus on those. And you can see what to put in your tags. So I hope that helps you guys, and compare as many as you like. Pick the good ones. The ones that are way up here, those are typically really good ones. Even if it is further down here, if it's something that's trending, I mean, is increasing from back here, we even change it to the past 5 years. If it's going up, it's good. Don't, bad example because it wasn't that far down over here. But if it's going up, that's great. You want to hop on that. So I hope that helps you guys, and we'll follow up in the next video.